Well, I've been dying to do this video and hopefully you enjoy it. I'm going to unbox my new hoist, or it's a BendPak Quick Jack. So there's probably a million of these unboxing videos out there, but you know, I'm happier than hell to get it. And I should say that I bought this. I didn't get it as a sponsor or anything like that. So I'm going to be just my regular critical self of it, depending on how it works out. So if you're interested, please stick around. Alright, so here we go. The first thing, because it's on top, is I'm assuming the power unit. So we'll unbox this. I would like to say that they got beat to hell by the United, I think it was UPS that delivered them. And in the delivery, they lost this piece, which is a truck extender, so that I can use it with my truck. So, just a word to BendPak. Maybe you should have a talk with your shipping company. So, anyways, here we go. So, the pure joint inside of this. Alright, let's see what we got in here. Stop. Before returning this product to the store, please contact Quick Jack immediately for questions, part requests, or technical support. Thank you, Quick Jack. So that's that. Alright. I assume that these are the hoses for the hydraulics. It says type 6, length 30, 810 millimeters. And then this is type 6, 705 millimeters. These are the blocks, I would assume, that go on top of it so you can adjust the height under your car. What's this? Must be a the inventory for this box. So it says that it should have the power unit box, power unit, 75 millimeter 3-inch rubber pads, 4 of them, 55 millimeter 2-inch rubber pads, 4 of them, BL hose assembly, which is this one. There's 2 of them, and then hose assembly 6x4. That's this one. Teflon tape. Oh, there it is. Oh, look at that. So we got Teflon tape. The connectors, 4 1/4-inch quick connect, non-spill design, 2 1/4-inch quick connector male, so 4 female, 2 male, 1/4-inch quick connect coupler male, dust caps for female, hydraulic, and dust caps for male, leader hose fittings. Okay. Ooh, I gotta show you this. I use my phone and cut the film in. But this is what it looked like when I just opened it up. This is what it looked like when I just opened it up. So it's already, the styrofoam's broken from the delivery. So again, like I said, Quick Pack, BendPak, you should probably talk to your delivery service. This over here. I'm gonna take it out of the plastic bag. There we go. Spectacular. It's beautiful. It's a work of art. Alright, so I'm going to put this stuff back in the box. I'm not planning on assembling this today. This is simply an unboxing video. and then I'll make a video of assembling it, and then I'll be making videos using it, and then at some point in time I'll do a full review. But that is the intent for this. So hopefully that keeps your interest and you don't leave. But if you do, I understand too. But anyway, so I'm gonna move this right over here. All right. This is actually box 2 of 3. So this is gonna be the right frame. Good to know. Called it right out. And again, I want to videotape a little bit with my phone and add it in, but this is the shape that it was in when it got here from, I think it's UPS, you shipped it, but yeah, UPS ground. I'll probably have to blur out my address, but anyway, so let's get this thing opened up. Voila! Man, that was easy to open. Hopefully there's not much to assemble, but you know, we'll see what happens. Even though it was damaged in transit, the box, it appears that everything of the equipment is fine, so it's always a positive. One of the reasons I'm just unboxing it today is because I promised my lovely wife that I would do it, so. Alright. Ooh, this is heavy. Definitely heavy. So the guy in the picture dragging 2 of these around must be much stronger than me. So I am old and fat though, so take that for what it's worth. I don't know what that is, but I'm sure I will read the instructions to find out what it is. Oh, it's got little wheels on that side, so. It looks a lot better than I would expect it with what the box looks like. So, note to whoever, if you're doing this, give yourself enough room. Because I don't have enough room and I just dropped it on my foot and it hurts. It hurts a lot. Hopefully my camera doesn't turn off and I lose all the pain and suffering. But yeah, the dude's carrying 2 of these and he's walking. So he deadlifted them and then he's just walking away with them. He's a stud. But at least I know why the UPS guy tore these up. Or the UPS guys. Look, there's the instructions. Alright, so I found the instructions. And the one I have is a BL-7000SLX, so I wanted something big enough that I could pick up my truck with. So that's why I got such a heavy duty one. So I guess I need to get up and get this out of the box. Not to drop on my foot this time. Alright, there we go. I have the mess somewhat cleaned up. I'm going to open this last box, which is the extensions for trucks, and we'll go from there. Because I'm planning on using it with the station wagon. So I think they fit on top of this to extend out the pad. So cool. And there you have it. So there's the unboxing. Like I said, I'll do a video on putting it all together. It looks like it's relatively simple, but I just wanted to get it unboxed and somewhat moved out of the way for my wife. So if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, give it a like, you know, make a comment, share it, whatever you're going to do. But again, as always, I really appreciate everybody that watches the videos. So thank you once again, and have a great day.